At any given moment, a healthy human body hums along at a perfectly stable 37 degrees Celsius. It is the ideal biological middle ground, warm enough to keep our enzymes moving efficiently, but cool enough to preserve our precious food energy. Then the peace shatters. A sudden jolt of extreme heat spikes through your system. Your teeth chatter, a deep ache settles into your muscles, and a sense of panic often follows this sudden loss of control. This classical marble bust of an ancient physician reminds us of how humanity used to interpret this crisis. For centuries, physicians assumed the heat itself was the disease, a destructive force caused by bad air or angry spirits that was actively trying to boil the life out of the patient. Modern biology identifies this rising heat as an intentional, highly coordinated security protocol. Tracking the precise biological mechanics behind a fever reveals a body purposefully cranking up its internal dial, deploying extreme heat to protect its most vital functions. The alarm sounds the moment microscopic invaders, like a virus or bacteria, breach your bloodstream. Local immune cells spot these unwelcome guests immediately and begin the counterattack. The immune cells release tiny chemical messengers called pyrogens. These molecules flood your veins, riding the swift currents of your bloodstream straight toward the center of your brain. Deep inside your skull sits the hypothalamus, your body's central control room. When the pyrogens arrive, they click directly into its receptors, delivering a clear warning that an invasion is underway. Looking at this internal data scale, we see exactly how the command center reacts. It takes your normal 37-degree baseline and shifts the target threshold up to 39 or 40 degrees. Because the brain has established this higher target, it perceives your current 37-degree body temperature as freezing cold. To bridge that temperature gap, the brain orders your muscles to rapidly contract and shake. Every individual muscle twitch generates internal friction, pumping a massive surge of heat directly into your core. Shivering is a high-speed internal workout, engineered to rapidly deliver thermal energy your defense system requires. To trap that hard-earned warmth inside, your body performs a plumbing trick. It constricts the tiny blood vessels near the surface of your skin, forcing warm blood deep into your core to prevent heat from escaping into the air. This rising internal heat acts as a speed boost for your own cellular machinery. Human enzymes thrive in these warmer conditions, allowing white blood cells to multiply, deploy, and repair tissue at accelerated speeds. The invaders, however, are extremely sensitive to weather. They require a cool, steady 37 degrees to survive. The sudden heat wave warps their delicate proteins and stops them from multiplying. While the germs struggle with the heat, the body cuts off their supply lines. The liver and spleen act as high-security vaults, locking away essential minerals like iron and zinc from the bloodstream to starve the invaders of the tools they need to grow. Sustaining this thermal warfare requires massive amounts of energy. Intense brain fog and exhaustion are forced biological signals, physically grounding you so that your immune system receives the full power of your metabolism. Every symptom is a coordinated metabolic weapon designed to hyper-accelerate the immune response while simultaneously starving the threat. This clinical glass thermometer shows the ultimate goal of the entire process. Once the hypothalamus registers that the threat is neutralized, the break occurs, and the brain drops your internal set point back to its normal, safe baseline. Now, your body must dump the excess heat. Your sweat glands open, coating your skin in moisture. As those thousands of water droplets evaporate, they carry the internal fire into the air. We must monitor this biological furnace carefully. If the temperature climbs too high, even human enzymes can begin to feel the strain. Using medicine to regulate a dangerously high fever ensures the defense system operates entirely within a safe zone. As the heat dissipates, your system finishes its internal homework. It mints fresh antibodies, precise biological templates designed to remember the specific structural shape of the defeated germ. If that exact same invader ever crosses into your bloodstream again, your immune cells will recognize it instantly. They will handle the threat quietly and efficiently, preventing the need for another fever. Armed with a permanent record of the threat stored in your memory cells, your body emerges from the infection better prepared to protect itself from that specific invader in the future.